You may have heard a lot of things about aliens.
Where are the aliens? Maybe they're among us, I don't know.
We've been wondering if there are aliens in outer space.
Aliens from the planet Nibiru had come to Earth and established the ancient Sumerian culture in Mesopotamia.
Know that you are not alone, and we are not alone in the universe, at least according to Israel's former head of space security, who's claiming in a new book that alien beings from outer space have been in contact with the U.S. and Israeli governments for years. Chaim Eshed is a retired general and a well-respected professor in Israel.
So let's go deeper into it. The original contact between government and extraterrestrial biological entity EBE occurred in between year 1947 and 1971. The EBE are grey in color and about 3.5 to 4.5 feet high and coming from Rigel star system. The government of United States made agreements with the grey aliens that not to interfere with alien operational plans and let them to live in underground of Earth in exchange of advanced technology. The grey aliens were instrumental in performing the mutilation of animals as well as humans, and they used the glandular substance derived from these materials for food and to clone more grey aliens in their underground laboratories. So for your information, here I want to mention that there are two types of grey aliens, the tall grey and small grey aliens. These small grey aliens are cloned ones made by tall grey aliens. The tall grey alien used these small grey aliens for abduction and examination work. The grey clones are also performing the biological work which led to the termination of various species on the surface of Earth. Biological products gathered for genetic work, which include cloning, DNA enrichment, and other crossbreeding with human beings. The grey clones are abducting human females both temporarily and permanently, and using them for crossbreeding in order to produce a new hybrid species that does not have the inherent genetic weakness of grey species. The grey alien species is more on the order of an electronically based space society with a common social memory complex that allow them to collectively function as areas of group mind. Groups of grey alien are controlled from one central source being, which is one of the large grey or a blonde humanoid or the other dominant species. The grey also maintain the technology to create clones and implant memory from another source into the clones. Implantation technology is routinely used as a method of social control. The USA government, especially the agencies like the CIA and NSA, have undertaken to develop parallel technology which is a direct result of cooperation and interaction with extraterrestrial biological entity. All these methods of control are domination based and counterproductive to evolvement of individual beings. For the grey aliens, the main motivation for the genetic work with humans is the survival of grey species, which is genetically damaged. Some species such as Ssani claim that they are the results of hybrid genetics that are being performed at this time. We are seeing a lot of hybrid species as well as species in different stages of their own evolution. The grey alien species is not based on individualization or being an individual entity. For those entities maintaining a group mindset like a social memory complex, for them, individualization seems to cause a great deal of random energy loss. The way the grey aliens seem to locate their subject for their work is more or less a result of their effort to find human entity who vibrate in resonance to their vibrational complex. One of the human aspects that promotes this resonance is fear, which almost amount to permission from the grey alien for their standpoint. So not only these grey aliens but also some negative multidimensional entity can affect you through your negative emotions like fear, depression, stress, anger, sadness, etc. Planet Earth is somewhat unique because it has a broad spectrum of entities on different density levels. So here the meaning of density is different dimensional beings or multidimensional beings. Aliens who have a motivation for conquering a planet such as Earth, they locate human or other being who vibrate in resonance with their vibrational frequency, which is on the negative level of spirituality. The people that grey alien influence are commonly told that they are the elite or chosen ones that will rule the earth. The function of elite humans, as far as the grey are concerned, are to wipe out the portion of human population so the remainder can easily be controlled. Hitler is a prime example. Now the question will arise on me that if the grey aliens are controlling the earth, then what about the reptilian humanoid? And what is the relationship of grey aliens with the reptilian humanoid, which are known to dominate over them and known to consume human beings? So the answer is both grey aliens and reptile groups live on this planet or under its surface and in space. They have been here for a long time. The grey aliens are also working for reptilians, relative to the abductees as an individual and to the human race as whole. They have been used by the reptilians as the middlemen, doing the work exposing themselves to us instead of reptilians. I will discuss more about it in the upcoming videos, so if you are new to this channel then please subscribe and share this video as much as possible, because I need some support to grow in YouTube platform so that I will able to bring more better contents for you. Thank you.